Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Cumberledge and I am the Youth Outreach Specialist for the Adams County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited you're here. Today we are talking all about ducks. Do you like ducks? The book we're going to read today is about a duck who tries to fix things, but he keeps making everything worse. It's a pretty funny story, so I think you'll like it. This book is called Fix It, Duck, and it was written and illustrated by Jez Alborough, and it was originally published in 2001 by Harper Collins Publishers. Let's get started. Fix It, Duck. Plop goes the drip and drops in the cup. Duck looks down and Duck looks up. A leak in the roof? What bad luck! This is a job for Fix It, Duck. He says it's easy to repair, but how's he gonna get up there? He can't climb up. It's much too steep. So he drives round to borrow a ladder from sheep. Over the puddles he hops and he skips to sheep's little house. Then oops, he trips. Whoops. Sheep, calls Duck, it's only me. And he explains how the rain dripped in his tea. When he reaches the part about fixing the leak, they hear a rattle, creak, and squeak. It's my window, says Duck. It won't close. It's stuck. This is a job for Fix It, Duck. He does what he can to close the gap. He glues, he screws it, and he gives it a tap. Uh-oh. Smash! The problem, says Duck, is your glass is too thin. My house, wails Sheep. The rain's coming in. What we need, says Duck with a glint in his eye, is to pull your house to somewhere dry. Goat's got a shed. We can put it inside. Let's hook up your Jeep and go for a ride. Back up slowly till I say stop. Then all of a sudden something goes pop. Flat tire, says Duck. More bad luck. We'll have to use my pickup truck. But Sheep's little house won't hitch up to the truck. This is a job for Fix It, Duck. Does this look like a good idea? I don't think so. We're off, says Duck as they speed down the track. Slow down on the bends, calls Sheep from the back. Turn left, he bleats as they skid round a curve. Hold on tight, quacks Duck as the truck starts to swerve. And the house should follow behind, but instead it unhooks from the truck and rolls on straight ahead. Oh no! When Duck gets to Goat, he starts to explain why they brought Sheep's house, which was letting in rain. But where is it? Asks Goat. Then as Duck turns to see, Frog runs up shouting, "It's following me!" Look up the hill, gasped Goat in dismay. It's Sheep, quacks Duck, and he's coming this way. Run! cries Frog. He's gonna crash! Help! Bleat Sheep. And splash! Oh no, he crashes into the river! It's broken, says Duck. What a lot of bad luck. Oh no, moaned Sheep. Not fix it, Duck! If only he hadn't come calling on me. If only that rain hadn't dripped in his tea. Not rain, says Frog with a shy little cough. He forgot to turn his bath water off. Oh no! The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Now we're going to sing a song. We're going to sing 5 Little Ducks. All right, please join me. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the little ducks came back. Quack, 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 but none of the little ducks came back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and 5 of the little ducks came back. Quack, 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 and 5 little ducks came back. Good job, guys! There's going to be a link down below for a simple craft you can make out of a paper plate. It's a duck mask, so I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Bye!